In this video, we will show you how to create an engaging PowerPoint slide design using illustration and the Morph Transition. So, watch the video till end. Let's start the video. Click on icons, go to illustration, search paint here. Select this, insert it. Click on right button, convert to shape. Select all. Deselect this and delete. Increase size like this. Click on right button, copy it and go to View tab. Click on Slide Master, select and delete. Paste here. Click on Insert Placeholder, select Picture, drag it, send to back. Click on Outside. Select both. Go to Merge Shape and select Intersect. Click on Slide Master and close Master View. Click on New Slide, select this title slide. Click icon to add picture, select and insert it. Click on right button, go to Format Picture, select Shadow from Presets. Increase size and also change the shadow color using eyedropper. Whatever PPT you are creating, highlight information here. Click on right button, duplicate the slide, zoom out the slide, select text boxes and shift to the left side like this. Also select picture and shift to right side, slightly rotate, move third slide to second position, go to transition, select morph. Also increase duration size. Now click on slideshow and see you have learned how to create an engaging PowerPoint slide design using illustration and the Morph Transition. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next video.